Hello guys, how are you guys doing today? This is your boy NFX Sniper. This is a new video I'm making about the trades which I took last week. Today is a Saturday. The week is still going on, but I took the trades this week, and overall week it's a profitable week. So I'm here to show you guys my trades, plus how many trades I took, how much profit I made, and about my strategy as well. I can teach you guys again. Like if you didn't saw my last video about my strategy, I'll show you the strategy in this video. Okay, let's start with the first trade. I didn't trade too much in this week. Okay, so I took my first trade. I'll show you guys. First of all, I'll show you the screenshots of my trades. I took like 3 trades. So this was my first trade, as you guys can see. This was the stop loss, this was the entry here, somewhere around here, and this is the profit which I made on 10th of July. This was the very first trade. Second trade was like the next day on 11th of June, sorry. It's a June month, yeah, so I didn't realize that. Okay, so here's the trade. This is the stop loss, and this was the take profit. It successfully hit, and this was the profit I made. And this is the third trade, and this was the last trade of the week. And as you can see, the sniper entry here. And I put the stop loss on the last nearest higher low, you know. So this was the take profit, and this was the profit screenshot which I made on the MT4. Okay, so let's come back to the charts and I'll show you how I did it. If you saw my previous video, you know my strategy contains indicator, and I use this indicator a lot every time I try to enter, and most of the time I trade on a 1 minute time frame, but you guys can trade on like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever the time frame you want. It works on every time frame. You just need to wait a lot. That's it, to to let the price create the setup, you know. So this was my very first trade. As you can see, I did not remove my editing. I did not remove these shots. What do you call this? A box, sell trade box, and see, this is my trading indicator. You can see this. I write it down here, my sniper points. As I told you guys before in these videos, I only trade this strategy, which is called sniper points trading strategy, with the help of TDI indicator. So every time I notice the price is coming out of this band, I mark this candle. Like, you can check it with the crosshair which candle it is. You mark this point, and you just wait. You just wait for the price to come back and go above this horizontal ray, go above this zone, and then you just wait for any bearish candle to enter for your trade, for your short trade. So as you can see, this was the candle. I point the horizontal ray on the top of this bullish candle, and then I waited for the price to come back in this zone, go above this zone, and then I look for a bearish candle, and then I enter there. Or you can enter also here, here somewhere, but it depends on your risk. I try to play safe, and you can target the nearest lows for the take profits. Okay, I only took one take profit here, and the second take profit somewhere around here. You can put the targets, like you can extend your take profits here. It's like 150 pips, but I took my first take profit here, like about 100 pips. So this was my very first trade, and let's see the second trade now. It is very easy, and everyone can use this indicator strategy, and this is the only strategy I use whenever I trade. Okay, this week I didn't trade too much, but only the 3 trades I took. So this is the second trade. As you can see, I also pointed out here, just to show you guys, just to be clear with you guys, this is how I am trading. As I and one more thing, I trade like pre-London session or London session, not after those sessions. I don't trade. If I'm late, I don't trade. I trade the next day, early in the morning. So you can see here the price goes out, and the candle is bullish. You just mark your horizontal ray here. With your crosshair you can figure it out which candle it is, where the price is going out. And once the price makes this higher high here in the TDI indicator, you just mark this candle high, and then you just wait for the price to go above. Okay, in this case, price goes above, come back down. I could have taken the entry here, okay, and still you get all this profits. But you know, like the price is somewhere around here, kind of a consolidating phase, and this is kind of, if the price goes out too fast from this band, it means there's something fishy. So you just wait for the confirmation. Okay, so I let the price goes up, and I keep putting the horizontal ray on top of the candles. And once the price shows me this bigger bearish candle, then I try to look for the entry. Normally I took entry here, but I was busy here somewhere around here. I took the price already was here, then I took the entry. Normally I enter somewhere around here. So you can see my entries are pinpoint sharp. Like normally I enter somewhere around here, but this time when I was trading, I was doing something else. So as you can see, even though I entered late in this trade, I put the stop loss above these candles, and my target was this low, this support zone. You can put your TP1 here and your TP2 somewhere here. Okay, this is the second trade, and my third trade was like, yeah, this one. You can see I always mark these sniper points to show you guys my strategy works. As you guys can see here, can you see this? These two sniper points. I mark both of these points. I mark the first point here, price goes up. I saw the one bearish candle, and then I entered. So this is also a pre-London session. You guys can see which session would you like to trade, but make sure you don't trade news, okay? News can really make the charts go up and down so fast. You guys can lose a lot. So don't trade in the news. So this is my third trade. This is a bearish candle I saw. I put the took the short trades here. Yeah, you guys can see here. This was the third trade. I took the short trade here. And this was the profit. And this was the target, yeah. And this was the second trade which I was showing you guys. As I told you, I was a little bit late on the second trade. I could have entered somewhere around here, but still I made good profits. And this was the target here. First trade was here. As you guys can see, I entered somewhere around here, and then this was the take profit. So these are the trades which I took with this indicator, and you just mark the candles, high of the candles, or if I didn't took any short trade this week, otherwise I could have showed you a short trade example as well. So this is the idea. That's it. It's easy peasy. You can do it any time. Like if you can also do it on bigger time frames, 4 hour, 4 hour daily time frame, weekly time frame, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. You guys can use this strategy any time frame, but I like to use it on 1 minute time frame because on 1 minute time frame you go in and out quickly. You take your profits and you do your stuff. I don't like to stay on the charts all day. So that's the idea. So all you need to do is just find out these points, mark the candles, which shows you when the price goes above these bands in your indicator. You just mark this and then mark your candle, and then you just wait for the price to come back or go above these horizontal raise or this area, and you just wait for the opposite candle, like bearish or bullish, whichever it is, then you entered with the like 10-15 pips stop loss, or depending on the price how big it is. So yeah, risk management is also key. Make sure you follow the risk management as well. So that's it. These are the trade recaps, and thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the new video next week with the new trades. Thank you. Bye bye.